Yan ang school building natin. 1 month. Nakatayo na.
1 month kaya saan? Size nito?
7 by 9.
7 by-
Standard school building size.
And it can be completed in only
1 month.
1 month. Using your...
Using my technology.
Mhm.
Light steel gauge metal, calcium silicate boards insulated, itong metal frames na ito for the roof. Tapos insulated din yung roof. Kaya kita mo may foil. Itong building na ito, wala na effect ang climate change dito. Malamig. Hindi katulad doon. Nagsususpend tayo dahil sa init. Ang bahay, because walang insulation, it becomes a natural oven ang loob ng school building. Pero ito hindi na.
Hindi-
Our
hindi
tested this during summer. Malamig.
Hindi na kailangan ng aircon, no?
Wala na. Ayan. You personally, you can say, well, kailangan pa ba ng aircon? Hindi. Kasi free flow eh. Shallow sa windows.
Mhm.
Bakit sir, parang climate change adapted?
Yes, yes.